Well, Germany is Europe's biggest economy and leads the way in many sectors. One of them is something most people don't really like thinking about: waste management. German services are so efficient that neighboring countries are sending their own rubbish to Germany for disposal. CCTV's Guy Henderson reports from Cologne.
This is where German rubbish that can't be recycled goes. Up to 3,000 tonnes are dropped off every day at this waste-to-energy power plant in Cologne. It's just one of 81 Germany built in the last 2 decades as a better option to burying waste.
Not producing any waste is the best option. If waste is being produced anyway, recycling is the next step. Should that not be possible, rubbish should be burnt to produce energy. Landfilling should be totally excluded or forbidden.
Incinerating this stenching heap helps generate electricity for 1/4 of the city's inhabitants, but only for as long as there's something to burn. A few years ago, plants like this were running under capacity, but now they're very busy again, and part of the reason for that is that in the UK, for example, there's a very heavy landfill tax, and there's a shortage of incinerators like this, and so it seems to make more cost sense to export that waste instead. German recycling rates are amongst the highest in Europe, and its standards are too. Most pollutants at this plant are carefully removed, as is almost anything that could be reusable. Even the leftover ash is utilised to build roads. But some environmentalists question whether incineration is the best way to treat waste.
You lose the materials in that way. You just get energy. You don't get resources back. You dig out of the earth. So we have to rethink that. And we have too much incineration plants in Germany. We overproduced them years ago, and we're now facing that we have to rethink our waste approach.
By importing waste from other parts of Europe too, Germany is becoming the rubbish hub of the continent. Guy Henderson, CCTV, Cologne.